Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Thiago. Thiago is interested in getting a hair transplant today. So Thiago, what got you interested in thinking about a hair transplant?
Because my hair was thinning from I don't know, ever since I was like 25, 26, and I've been taking everything, but it comes to a point that you gotta do a hair transplant because it comes to a point the medication doesn't help anymore.
So as you'll see in some of the pictures, Thiago does have thinning in his whole entire frontal area and is receding backwards. He has been on some medications to go ahead and try to reduce the thinning, which has helped. And however, now we want to replace some of the hair follicles that he lost in the frontal area. And as you'll see, as we get closer, you can notice exactly how thin there is in the frontal zone. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that today, Thiago, for you, and we'll keep on checking in with you during the course of the surgery, and we'll start drawing things out. Here I am with Thiago, and Thiago, we've now gone ahead and taken the strip of skin out, and we've gone ahead and sutured you closed as I took some pictures. How have you been so far?
It's been okay.
Have you, other than the anesthesia, how do you feel? Do you feel anything going on?
No, I'm okay. I
All
don't
right.
feel anything at all.
So Thiago's actually listening to a book that he brought with him, and we're going to go ahead and continue on to the next step, which will go ahead and make some incisions to put the hair follicles back in, and we'll let him continue listening to his book, and we'll check in on you in just a little. Here I am with Thiago. So Thiago has now completed making all the sites, and what we're doing is we're actually putting the hair follicles back in one by one, and we expect amazing results. So as you can see, he's pretty relaxed, eyes closed, listening to music, and we'll continue letting everybody start placing the follicles back in. This is Dr. Siegel again with Natural Transplants, and Thiago has now completed his procedure. And how was your day today, Thiago?
It was good, yeah.
And any recommendations for somebody who's interested in getting a hair transplant?
It's gonna grow back. It's not gonna look like this, but you know, as long as you have patience, it's gonna be fine in the future.
And overall, the procedure took approximately 5 hours. He's been here, 4 to 5 hours.
Yeah.
He took a nap a little bit. He listened to some books, listened to some music. Overall, your experience?
Yeah, it was very good. I liked it so much, yeah.
Perfect. So let's go ahead and show you exactly what we've done today. As you see in the before pictures, his frontal area was thinning out. So what we've done is we've reinforced the entire frontal zone. We didn't want to just do the thinning area. We wanted to go as far back as possible with all the hair that he was able to provide to us, and that way you will see as we do follow-up videos with him, and hopefully in a year from now show the before and after results. So again, Thiago, thank you so much for coming to us here at Natural Transplants, and we look forward to your progress.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.